Siguro, last question, tatanong sila, Flo, bakit daw pumayat ka? O, parang, ano nangyari? Hindi ko
Hindi, ano talaga, kasi what you call this, pesco-vegetarian na ulit ako, which was, bago ako kasi hirap ako magbuntis, diba? So, bago ako magbuntis, sinabi sa akin, I have to start eating meat again, tsaka beef, tsaka pork. Dati kasi talaga walang pork, walang chicken, walang beef. Pero pag Saturdays and Sundays, pwede mag-chicken. But the rest of the week, seafood lang talaga, fish, at kung ano, as much rice as I want, ganyan. So, binalik ko lang yung dati kong lifestyle na of 6 years na pesco-vegetarian. Tapos, Pilates. Kahit sa set, nag-Pilates. Yan po. Thank you.
Okay, at syempre, no, yan po ang Q&A natin. At yes, Joey, gusto mo silang imbitahan sa In Your Eyes. Kasi magpapa-interview naman sila Claudine, sila Richard and Anne, isa-isa. Okay, so, so Joey, kasali ka ba sa movie?
Abangan nyo ang paglabas ka sa poster. Sana at ang tiligin nyo itong In Your Eyes, pinaghirapan mo ito ng Diva at ng GMA. First time din mo namin makasama sa City Loreto and GMA. So, sana patigin.
For joining us today. Gusto ko lang masabi po na talagang pinaghirapan namin itong pelikulang ito. And I'm very thankful that I was able to work with Ms. Claudine and Direct Mac. We had such a great time filming this, but at the same time, mahaba po yung prosesong pinagdaanan para mabuo namin yung pelikula. And yeah, I'm just very thankful sa inyong lahat, and of course, kay Direct, sa Viva, and sa GMA.
Meron ka.
Okay, Ms. Claudine.
Thank you, June. At sa inyong lahat po, maraming salamat for being here today. And also, I just really want to say thank you to Anne and Char for, being really professional. And I really had fun doing this movie. Miss ko na kayo. And also, I just really want to my last day pa. And at saka maraming salamat po sa Viva Films because dahil dito nagkatotoo na yung sobrang malaking bonus na makatrabaho ko si Anne at saka si Richard at si Direct Mac na ang pinaka-trivia natin Direct Mac, si Direct Mac po ang unang nagpaiyak sa akin sa buong sa showbiz, buong first TV appearance ko talaga. So si Direct, ikaw rin diba? Tsaka si Char. So yun. Thank you so much Direct for the patience and everything. And Miss V, Valerie, Boss Vic, and also Joey and Miss Annette at ang GMA for making this dream come true. It's really a good movie. Hindi mo masasayang ang pera ng lahat ng mga Claudinians at fans ni Anne, at fans ni Richard. At so sana na-enjoy ninyo. Rough pa lang itong teaser at trailer namin. So thank you so much. And God bless you.
Be working or have worked with Claudine, Richard, and Anne. At yung pleasure at joy na yun ay ipinapasa namin sa inyo at sa mga manunood August 18. Sana po patuloyin ng mga tao sa tulong po ninyo ang In Your Eyes. Maraming salamat.
Salamat.